How do you do? Hope you're doing very well. By the way, do you wash your hands or you don't wash? People, you should always wash your hands every now and then to prevent us from this disease, okay? So now today we are going to learn to make a kite or a spider's home, but it is called a kite. So you get two sticks, put them together. You see, put them together, get a thread, and you do this. Do this. This is, we are making a kite. We are making a kite. This is a kite. You see? Two sticks and a thread, nothing else. You can get a broom and get two, or you pick another stick. We are making a kite. So your kite should look like this. Okay? It takes time, but it takes time to grow, but it will grow. So you see how my kite is growing? This is how my kite is growing. So you see, you continue until the sticks gets full. That is a kite. Wow, wonderful. So you tell mommy to get for you a thread, and you get sticks by yourselves, and then you make them like this. This is how we make a kite. Is that okay?